How to cancel a stuck upload on Instagram on Android. This tutorial shows you how to stop a frozen upload and get the app working normally again. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device and tap on the stuck upload at the top of your feed to try canceling it directly from there. After that, if there is no cancel option available, go back to your home screen and long press on the Instagram app icon. From there, tap on App Info to open the app settings page. At this point, tap on Force Stop to completely shut down the app and stop any background processes, including the stuck upload. In the next step, tap on Storage and then tap Clear Cache to wipe any corrupted temporary data that may be causing the upload to freeze. Following this, go back to your home screen and check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one is more stable. Once done, reopen Instagram and check if the stuck upload has been cleared. From here, if it's still showing, go back into App Info and this time tap on Clear Data to do a deeper reset of the app. Keep in mind, this will log you out, so make sure you remember your password. Finally, log back in and try uploading your content again, and it should go through without any issues this time. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix a stuck upload on Instagram on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.